Pre-algebra lesson 80, increases in percent. Now, increases in percent are a little bit of a tricky concept. The main thing that you need to understand is that whenever we increase a percent, we're adding on to the existing 100%. So, for example, let's say right here, it says, to their dismay, the townspeople found the rodent population had increased 140%. Now, before the increase, there is a rodent population. That rodent population is 100% at the moment. Now, when it increases by 140%, that 140 is being added to the existing 100. Right? So that's where we come to this rule, which is whenever you see the word increase in a percent problem, that means you add 100 to whatever the number is. So if we had 100% to begin with, and it increases by 140, I take that 140, I add 100, which means the actual percentage number is 240. So if it says increased by 140, I take 140, I add 100, and I now have the new percentage of I know how to add 240, 240%, right? The new percentage of 240. Now, I need that percentage because I'm going to plug that into my percent equation. How many of you can remember what the percent equation is? Hopefully all of you. Now, if you remember, it should be percent over 100 equals is over of, or since now we're starting to remove the words is and of, you could also replace the words is and of with the concept of part over whole. Okay? Part over whole being the percentage over the whole, right? Now, let's take that 240, we'll plug it into this equation, okay? So 240 is our new percent, so we're going to make that 240 over 100, so this is going to be a larger than 100% problem. Now, we need to figure out the missing number. So, rodent population increased 140%. They tell us the rodent population had been 400 before. What was the rodent population now? Well, if it was 100, if it was 400 before, that's describing the old 100% amount, right? So I'm going to put that on the denominator when I set up my proportion. So that's going to equal something over 400, and we'll find the increase by putting x there for our unknown. Again, we solve proportions using cross multiplication. Multiply diagonally, 100 times x is 100x. Put our equal sign, 240 times 400. Well, I'm not going to do that just yet, because I can write 240 times 400, and then go to my division step and make this a lot easier. So if I divide each side by 100, I can see 400 divided by 100 is just going to be 4. And now all I have to do is 240 times 4. Let's take 240 multiplied by 4. 0, 16, 8, 9, 960. So x equals 960. So 960 rodents is my new answer. All right, that's it for this lesson. If you guys have any questions, let me know on the school website, and I will see you in class.